How to redeem game code in Game. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can redeem game code in Game. So let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your Game account, just like I've done here. You can see the different kind of games available. Classic, play with games, etc. Then once you can see this, move to the bottom left corner where you can see the gear icon, which stands for the settings icon, and just click on it. So after doing that, I have brought to the home page. You can see three tabs by the left side here, which stands for general, sound, then gift code. So once you can see this, the next step is for you to check out general if you can see anything related to your game code. If you cannot see, move to the left side and then click on the gift code tab. So yeah, you can now go ahead and redeem your game code by clicking on the redeem button, and then a box will be displayed. In this box, click on the box here and then type in your gift code, and then once you're done typing it in, click on redeem. As you can see, after clicking on the box, you can see that a keyboard has been displayed by the right side, so you can just go ahead and type out the code, and once you're done typing it out, click on redeem, and then if the code is found correct, it would be redeemed, and you can now use it to get coins, to get stuff on your application. So this is how it works. This is how you can redeem game code in Game. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.